Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If we've never met before, my name is Chelsea and I make new videos weekly on fashion, beauty, and travel. Today's video is going to be another PR haul, all of the things I've recently received. So this might be a long one, so I recommend you get a drink of your choice. My choice is matcha today. And sit back and relax and let's talk about some beauty. First up, I received some stuff from Charlotte Tilbury. I've tried a handful of her products and everything I've tried I've pretty much loved. So I have a couple things in this kit. First up is her lip liner. This is the Lip Cheat in the shade Pillow Talk. It is the most gorgeous pinky nude. Perfection. Definitely a color I will wear. Next up is the Wonder Glow. This is a little deluxe size. So this is meant to be used under foundation for lit from within luminosity and over foundation for a radiant flawless finish. Next up is the Full Fat Lashes by Charlotte Tilbury. I haven't heard much about this. Mascara is one of my favorite makeup items to play with, so I'm looking forward to trying that. Next up is Charlotte's Magic Cream. This is one of the most hyped up products from her range. I have tried it before. I really do like it. It is a thick, luxurious facial moisturizer. You can use it for morning or night. And yeah, looking forward to having that in the rotation again. Charlotte Tilbury's range is also really famous for their lipstick, and this is a gorgeous nude color in Penelope Pink. Additionally, Charlotte Tilbury also sent over the Scent of a Dream fragrance. This is the Eau de Parfum, and look at this bottle. If this doesn't just scream old school, like vintage Hollywood glam, I don't know what does. It's this gorgeous kind of retro shaped bottle, and the perfume is very unique. It has notes of patchouli and pepper, jasmine, I want to say like lemon or grapefruit. It just smells so good. I think a mature, sexy lady would wear this. It's not at all a young scent. This is definitely like a florally, musky scent with a little bit of citrus and spice to it. So if you like that, definitely check this out. And this bottle is just so legendary. Looking forward to trying that out some more. And big thank you to Charlotte Tilbury for sending all those goodies over. So on the opposite end of the price spectrum, I have some affordable products here to share from e.l.f. And they've sent me a couple different mailers. So these next few products are geared for people with a more active lifestyle and they like to get out there and sweat. This is the e.l.f. Active Post-Workout Cool Down Mist. And I actually already have one of these open. It's supposed to just help cool you down and give you that like just got out of yoga glow. Well, I'm all about that. Next up are the e.l.f. Active Post-Workout Cleansing Body Wipes. You might not always have the time to take a thorough shower after your workout, so these might come in really handy. Ooh, okay, so I saw this in one of the boxes and I had to grab this out for myself. This is the e.l.f. eyeshadow palette in Nude Rose Gold. This is really pretty. My first impression is actually Naked 3 by Urban Decay. It's quite similar. I actually threw out my Naked 3 palette recently just because it was several years old and I needed to like declutter it. But this is really, really pretty. I'm not sure the price point on this, but I think most of these e.l.f. palettes are really affordable, probably under $10. Next up are a couple skincare products. This is the e.l.f. Prep and Hydrate Balm with purified water, shea, and vitamin E. You know those like balmy sticks that you've been seeing every brand come out with? I think Milk Makeup was kind of the pioneer of this format of product. This is the Charcoal Hydrogel Under Eye Mask by e.l.f. And you get 3 sets of single-use eye masks in this kit, and they are a gel under eye mask. I love gel under eye masks. They help cool, brighten, depuff, and just help soothe your tired under eyes. You can use these for 10 to 15 minutes and you just discard them after you're done. These are infused with purified water, charcoal, seaweed extract, and licorice. I am a freak for under eye gel masks. I take them on every flight I have. I love them. They really do make a difference. So looking forward to trying out a really affordable option. Next up is a sheet mask by e.l.f. and this is the Hydrating Water Sheet Mask with purified water and aloe. Again, e.l.f., like you're speaking to me. I love sheet masks and again, use them a lot when I travel. And then last up from e.l.f., this is perhaps the most exciting, the Beauty Shield Antioxidant Enriched Skin Protection Recharging Magnetic Mask Kit. So the product comes in this jar. It is like a black kind of thick gel cream. And then you've got this magnetic tool that lifts the mask off after you're done. So it kind of looks like something like that. I know these are really trendy. What brand is it? Is it Dr. Brandt? It might be Dr. Brandt that has the magnetic mask kit. I think it's like almost $100. So I'm kind of shook that e.l.f. has their own version of this now. So I gotta say, I'm really impressed and looking forward to trying out all those new e.l.f. goodies. Next up, I received some products from COVERGIRL, and it's really exciting because COVERGIRL is undergoing a rebranding, and it says, I am what I make up. And I think it's like a much overdue, you know, rebrand because COVERGIRL has some great products, but I feel like they are overlooked in the drugstore. So the products in this package are all about the glow. First up, this is brand new to the range. This is the Look Lockup All Day Setting Mist. This retails for $9.99. It launched this January, and it's supposed to help lock and load your makeup for a luminous look that lasts all day. Next up, I have two of the Vitalist Elixir lip oils. These are nourishing oils that are lightweight in texture that instantly melt into your lips. They're available in 6 shades, and they're going to retail for $6.99. I've tried this one out so far. It's kind of like a barely there pink, but it's very, very comfortable to wear. So if you want like a little bit of moisture and a kiss of color, these might be a great option. Especially for no makeup days, these are great barely there lip colors to reach for. So I'm going to be trying these out some more and letting you guys know what I think. Next up, I have two of the Vitalist Healthy Glow Highlighters. These are supposed to deliver a next level glow designed to illuminate a natural skin tone, and it's a blendable cream formula available in 4 shades, going to retail for $8.99. Next up, I have two of the Vitalist Go Glow Luminizing Lotions, and these are with vitamins E, B3, and B5. These are going to retail for $8.99, and they're launching this January. Okay, last up in the box, I have two of the Vitalist Healthy Concealers. These are going to come in 6 shades, retailing for $8.99, and they're supposed to cover skin's imperfections without piling on a heavy layer. So that is the light medium shade. Will probably work for my under eyes. So there's it kind of blended out on my hand. It's definitely a light to medium coverage. So thank you so much to COVERGIRL. I think I'm most excited to try the concealer, the setting spray, and the lip oil. So next up, I received some products from Givenchy, and these are the Le Rouge Sculpt two-tone lipsticks, and these are really cool. I've never seen anything like these before. They come in the classic Givenchy like black leather chrome packaging. Givenchy's first two-tone lipstick offers color and contour in a single stick. So it's sculpting, volume enhancing, and it's supposed to, you know, perfectly shape the lips and kind of give you that more 3-dimensional pout. So here you can see, this one's really interesting. It's got this red and really, really deep, like almost like black purpley plum. Oh, that's interesting. The black or the dark shade is actually more sheer than I thought it would be. So that's the red one. And the second one's called Sculptin Violin. Gorgeous. So kind of got like that oxblood burgundy with a more magenta. Okay, I think that one I might get a little more wear out of because it's got that hot pink magenta mixed with that oxblood. I think that will be such a pretty ombre on the lips. So these lipsticks have a semi-matte finish. They are packed with hyaluronic acid and beeswax, so they're not only luxurious and beautiful, they are comfortable as well. So last up, I want to share some products I received from Aveeno, and they actually got in contact with me because they saw that I mentioned them in my eczema skincare products blog post. If you even occasionally suffer from dry, sensitive skin or eczema, please go check out that blog post because I put years of research into that blog post. In that blog post, I share all of my favorite, you know, cleansers, moisturizers for face and body. I'll link it in the cards above and also down below in the description box. But they saw that Aveeno was mentioned in that post and they wanted to send me some products to try out. But this is the product that started it all for me. This is the Eczema Therapy Moisturizing Cream, and this contains colloidal oatmeal, which is one of those powerhouse skincare ingredients. If you have eczema, you're really gonna wanna look out for colloidal oatmeal in products because that's the product that's really gonna help soothe your skin. It's obviously fragrance free, but it is also steroid free. This is just one of those products that like I always need to have on hand in case my skin flares up. So this thing is a lifesaver. It is on the very thick side though. You can't really wear pants after you apply this. This is like your nighttime moisturizer or moisturizer like on your legs if you're wearing a dress that day. Just keep that in mind. It's really heavy duty, but it gets the job done. And it's really shiny because it's still in plastic wrap. They packed everything very well. So this is the only Aveeno product I've really tried at length that I can recommend to you, but everything else we're going to discuss is new to me. But if you can buy one thing, get this. So next up is the Eczema Therapy Itch Relief Balm. So this is kind of like an extension of the moisturizing cream. And this, of course, again, has colloidal oatmeal in it. And it's supposed to relieve dry, itchy skin due to eczema. Next up is the Skin Relief Body Wash by Aveeno. So this is the fragrance-free version. I actually have a coconut version that I'm using in the shower right now. And even though it's coconut scented, it's still very gentle on my skin. It doesn't like, you know, irritate my dry, sensitive legs. So again, contains colloidal oatmeal. That's the ingredient you want to look for if you have sensitive skin. Got another body wash here. This is the Skin Relief Gentle Scent Body Wash with soothing oat and chamomile. So just like the coconut one that's in my shower right now, it says as gentle as fragrance free. And honestly, I would say so. I've been trying out the coconut one for a couple days now and I really like it so far. So another one to check out if you have sensitive skin on your body and you're looking for a body wash. So I've never seen this before. This is the Ultra Calming Hydrating Gel Cleanser. It's supposed to gently cleanse and hydrate sensitive skin, leaving it looking healthy day after day. So again, fragrance-free, non-irritating, non-comedogenic, hypoallergenic, and non-drying. Are we seeing a theme here? Seems like all their products are just very well suited for sensitive skin. Ooh, this, I'm gonna use this right away. This is the Eczema Therapy Hand Cream. And this is, of course, again, contains colloidal oatmeal. So here we go. It contains colloidal oatmeal, as with the other products, and it's supposed to relieve dry, itchy, irritated hands due to eczema. I actually get eczema a lot in between my fingers. Really uncomfortable. Eczema anywhere is uncomfortable, but having a great hand cream that's not laden with a ton of fragrance and chemicals is really nice. It definitely feels like there's a protective barrier of moisturization on my hands right now, but they don't feel filmy or gross. So this is the Skin Relief Moisture Repair Cream by Aveeno. This is intense moisture. And of course, fragrance-free and steroid-free. And you get a humongous tub. So this will be great for moisturizing my body. But keep in mind, this is the intense moisture. So I'll reserve that for like nighttime use. These are the Skin Relief Gentle Scent Lotion. This is the Soothing Oat and Chamomile. And this is the Nourishing Coconut. So if you want something that's still gentle, but has a little bit of fun fragrance in it, these are supposed to be as gentle as fragrance-free. So looking forward to trying these. Can't get enough lotion in the winter. And then last up from Aveeno, this is pretty exciting. These are makeup removing wipes, and these are ultra calming, oil-free, non-comedogenic, dermatologist tested, and ophthalmologist tested. So these are supposed to be gentle, soft wipes to remove dirt, oil, and even makeup. So you get 25 in a pack like this. And I get eczema pretty much everywhere. Face, neck, body, hands. It sucks. It's really hard. Lots of products irritate my skin, and if I have eczema on my face, I have to be really, really careful with skincare products because I could do more harm than good. So it's great to have a calming, gentle makeup wipe option that also can remove makeup. So these have chamomile in them, and they're supposed to be great for sensitive skin. So looking forward to trying these out. I've never heard anybody talk about these. I don't use makeup wipes every day just because I think in general makeup wipes as a product category are a little bit wasteful, but when you travel or you're going to the gym, they're super duper handy. So looking forward to trying these out on my next trip. All right, you guys, there you have it. Those are all the products I've recently received in PR. Trust me, there's more to share, but that's all we have time for today. So stay tuned. Be sure to subscribe down below to see more content. I make new videos weekly on fashion, beauty, and travel. So if you like travel vlogs, if you like fashion videos, if you like beauty hauls and reviews, go ahead and subscribe. So thanks so much for watching today's video. Go ahead and hit it with a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you very soon in my next video.